Where do words actually come from? Well, there are several ways. One of these involves borrowing words from other languages. This is usually done to fill in a gap in the language. More often, though, these loans arise from wars, trade, or cultural connections. Take ketchup. Originally, it's koe chi yap, a southern Chinese word for a fermented fish sauce. In the late 17th century, British traders discover this sauce in Southeast Asia and bring bottles of it home with them. Over the next 200 years, British and American cooks experiment with the recipe, creating ketchups out of mushrooms, walnuts, and even oysters. By the 19th century, tomatoes are added to the recipe, and in 1876, Henry Heinz launches his tomato catsup. It's a hit, and in an attempt to stand out from other recipes, Heinz rebrands it as ketchup, the term we use to this day. This means that the word on your table has spent centuries and travelled thousands of miles to meet you. And this is just one example of thousands. Did you know that over half of all the words you use are originally Germanic or from Norman French? What do you think these words originally meant? Like, subscribe, and join us for part 2.